Hello, my dear friends. Let's start our new story. The Key. Once upon a time, there was an old poor woman that was homeless. She hadn't eaten for some days and was dying. One afternoon, she was walking around the forest looking for some food. She lost the last drop of her energy and fell down. She felt something hard on her hand. She picked it up and it was a key. It was a very important key. It was the key of the secret of time, but for the old lady it was only a golden key. The old lady got an idea. She would sell the key and bought some food. She got up and walked to the city market to sell the key. She screamed and boasted about her wonderful key. At last, a handsome man walked towards her and was about to buy the key when a little girl interrupted him and took the key from the old man's hands and ran away, knowing that the key would open the door of the secret garden.